Hey guys, welcome to See Recipes by Sampada. In today's video, I am going to show you a very different, unique, delicious and interesting recipe, pizza panipuri, that you all definitely love. So let's get started. For filling, I am taking half cup finely chopped onion, half cup capsicum, half cup tomatoes, 1 cup sweet corn, 1/4 cup olives. Friends, instead of khatta meetha pani, I am going to make white sauce. For that I am taking 3/4 cup of milk, 2 teaspoon all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salted butter and 1 cheese cube. And then instead of tikha pani, I am going to make pizza sauce. For that I am taking this pizza sauce and regular tomato sauce and cheese cubes. For the garnishing, chili flakes, pasta mix, you can use oregano also, and of course packet of pani puri. Let's start making the filling. For that, heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan, add onion, capsicum and tomatoes and cook all the vegetables till raw smell of all the vegetable is gone. After all the veggies become soft, add corn in it and cook it for 2 minutes. Then add salt to taste, some chili flakes, pasta mix. Instead of this, you can add oregano or pizza mix also. After switching off the flame, add olives in it and mix it and let it cool down. Here is our pani puri filling is ready. Now let's start making white sauce. For that, in a pan, after butter gets melted, add all-purpose flour and mix it. Roast it till raw smell of maida is gone. Then add milk in it and you have to whisk it continuously so that no lumps will form in mixture. After it starts boiling, add cheese cube, some chili flakes, oregano, pasta mix. Here is our white sauce is ready. Keep it aside. Now for the red sauce, add this ready-made pizza sauce and tomato sauce and mix. Here is our red sauce is ready. Now let's assemble the pani puri. For that we have these puris, then pizza filling, red sauce and white sauce. Take one single puri and break it from middle. Add our veggie mixture, then our pizza sauce or the red sauce, and then some white sauce. For the garnishing and the nice texture, I am adding this red sauce over the puri. Same way fill all the remaining puris. Friends, we want this pani puri to be crunchy, so fill all the sauces very quickly. Here are our pizza pani puris are ready with filling, but pizza is incomplete without the cheese, so let's add cheese. Friends, we all love to eat pani puri, or simply we can say pani puri is a national Indian chaat and pizza is national Indian food. So trust me guys, this desi mixed videsi pizza pani puri tastes very delicious. Here is our pizza pani puri is ready. If you heat it in a microwave on a grill mode, it will be more crunchy pizza pani puri. So for the garnishing, I am adding some extra olives on it. And then I am going to heat it in a microwave on a grill mode for 10 minutes. Friends, do not heat it on microwave mode. If you want to heat the pani puri on a gas, you can use the same procedure as we bake the cake. Here is our hot crunchy pizza pani puri is ready. Let's quickly garnish it with some white sauce and some cheese and serve it hot. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and do share the video with your friends and family. Also hit the bell icon for new wonderful recipe updates.